It's June 12, 2024, Tuesday, and they just posted this, the kill list for today. So I'm not really sure how that works. It's probably because they're killing them tomorrow. But let's see what it says here. Intakes are low. Dogs are allowed to get really sick. We received news that several puppies were killed between Friday and Saturday. Now these dogs are pending euthanasia as of this afternoon. You'll recognize Durango and Meatball, who were on the last list but had a second chance. 6 new faces joined them. Yeah. Okay, and there's the contact info. Call them, email them, and then below that's the applications. And you can contact this page, the real page, and leave a message or a comment and tell them that you want to adopt or foster. So let's look at them here. Durango, Meatball, Beasty, Kylo, Naomi, Max, Jabba, and Noah. Naomi and Kylo look like more of the Malinois that are just getting dumped left and right. And they killed Violet and Whitney. Beautiful young dogs. They could have easily found a home, but they're in a big hurry to kill. Let's take a look at their photos here. Oh boy, that's just way too many dogs. Here's a day they're pretty proud of. Killed a bunch of puppies. Hendrix, Polly, Dakota, Alabama, Arizona, Montana, Archer, and Venus. Just puppies, you know. That's what they like to do. Hide behind a badge and kill. So, boy, they are just, oh my God. Here's another page where they just went on a rampage. 3, 6, 9. 9 dogs they killed this day. Well, that we know of. Maverick, Ginger, Bo, Bella, Charlie. What a beautiful dog. Dixie, Lola, Molly, Jules. Beautiful dogs. Nothing wrong with them. They just like to kill. But here was a really fantastic day. All these dogs got out. Absolutely amazing. That's what good people can do. They can save creatures. So if we go forward from we could just, wow, look at that, just insane amount of dogs. Okay, here's Papa, May, Clementine, Kelsey. Look at that happy guy. How could you kill somebody like that? Digger, Sophia, adopted. Wow. Oh, but he's back in the shelter. Yeah, Obi, Luke, and here's a group of 7. Shut up, dummy. You're not going to screw this up today. Beautiful dogs. Returned owner, Chico, another 4, Cash, Junior, Cruz, Tobias, adoption pending Frankie, Clyde adopted, Huck, Clayton, Rosie, Delta, Here's Chevy. Bradley adopted. Kyra adopted. Diego, Selena, Emilio, Gabrielle. Franz. Timmy adopted, others pending adoption. Isn't that wonderful? They look like corgis. So this shelter, gang, any type of dog that you can possibly think of shows up here. I have not seen a Mastiff, the big monster. I have not seen Airedale Terriers, but I have seen every single other type of dog you can imagine. Harley, Willow, Daphne, Parker. Look at that. How do you kill somebody like that? I don't get it. Roscoe, Paisley, family of 3. Beautiful dogs. Here's that day they just went on a mass killing spree. Blair, Shohai, Happy Smiling Dogs, Leek Skywalker, Arf Mall, Arf2, Brutus. What do they call that color? It'll come to me. Yeah. Zora adopted. 4 more little puppies. And here's another day they're really proud of. You know, it doesn't take that much effort to not kill them. You know, all you have to do is just get on the phone and work them. Call the rescues. Tell them, this is what I got. Nala adopted Smarty. Littermates. Look at these guys. Beautiful. Adopted Isabella. Cadillac adopted. Penny adopted. Dora adopted. Abel adopted. Our Vader adopted. Baba Fetch rescued. Phoebe. All 4 puppies killed. What's the excuse for that one? This is a sadistic place, gang. This is a really sadistic, sick place, you know. And they're very secretive, even though they live off of our tax dollars. They don't want to tell you anything. You're not worthy. We don't have to tell you anything. We have our job, and we don't have to tell you anything. Obi, James Earl Jones, Satine, Hira. I'm sure they easily could have been adopted. Amidala, Jar Jar, Ashoka. Wonderful day. Fantastic news. There's some really great rescues and adopters getting these creatures out. I was really thinking Levi and Harmonica were not going to make it. Any type of pit mix dog are prejudiced against, and people kill them, which is really sad because they're fantastic dogs. No longer at facility, transferred. Bart, no longer at facility. Screech adopted. Killed. Dixie, beautiful pit bull dog. Yeah, okay, so now we're going into May. Spider killed, Blake killed. You know, their lives mattered, gang. They want to live just like you and I want to live. They have emotions, they have feelings. They feel fear, they feel abandonment, they feel sadness. And probably to a much greater extent than a human would. Really. Alright, gang, adopted. All 4 puppies killed. No, I'm glad I'm going through this. And what was the excuse for killing them? Just because it's fun? There's some pretty sick people hide behind a badge. You know? Really sad, gang. Really sad. Sulu. adopted Groku, litter mates. Truthfully, I bet these guys are going to be on their next kill list. They're sadistic people, gang. They really are. Padme. Rescued bear. Adopted Lando. Adopted Hera. In foster via shelter. That's a beautiful dog, isn't he? Penny euthanasia Jabba. Oh my god, here we go. Meatball. We just saw him. He's on the kill list for tomorrow. That'd make a fantastic dog for somebody. No longer at facility, transferred. What does that mean? Jin. Quarantine. Okay, getting interrupted here. See if I can get out of this. Ruby. So that's what you do, gang. You know, you just... Rescued by ARF, Winston. That's wonderful. Older GSD, Kaiju. Alright, gang, so there it is. Networking Apple Valley Animal Shelter Dogs page. Come over here to the Instagram, and there's even more. This is basically a duplicate of the Facebook, but here you've also got the cats, like these beautiful cats at Apple Valley that are going to get killed. And I believe this is Las Vegas. Las Vegas is really hurting. They are really hurting. It's the quiet genocide war against the dogs. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And now here's the cats again. Lots of beautiful cats. They'd like to have a home and get the hell out of this place. So yeah, there's a Apple Valley Animal Shelter cat networking page as well, and they're on the Instagram. So there it is, gang. I encourage you to get involved somehow, even if you just want to share them. You know, all we got to do is just save one dog at a time, you know. But yeah, I mean, if you're in the business of selling cars, you know, you call your clients, you make your cars immaculate, get them clean and nice and shiny, and get them out the door. And this place doesn't do that. Yeah, these parvo outbreaks are from shit and piss. So you got to have clean kennels. They have to be immaculate. If you have to get on your hands and knees with a towel and bleach, then that's what you do. But I guess if you're obese, you can't do that. So anyway, gang, enough of the bitterness and anger at the non-stop killing that goes on here. It looks like some progress is made, but this place cannot be trusted. Their whole intention is a kill station. It's a morgue. The ugly shit that I have discovered about this place from more than one person that didn't know the other person is absolutely horrifying. You know, if you were a shelter manager and you made $300,000 a year, oh by God, I'd be there at 4 o'clock in the morning with my black coffee, and I'd be hustling. I'd be getting shit done. I'd be making sure animals got homes and got adopted. I'd have the cleanest shelter in California. I can promise you that. There'd be no parvo. There'd be no sickness unless it came in with the dog. This is a very solvable situation. This place could easily be a no-kill facility. I can guarantee you that. But it's apathy, indifference, and laziness that just contributes to all these deaths. So, Anyway, gang, don't call them and don't bitch and don't get ugly with them. Our whole goal is to get the creatures out alive into good homes, not into hoarders, rescues, or anything like that. We want to get them into homes and with reputable rescues until they find their homes. So, thanks for watching my videos, and I hope you'll share them so we can save lives. These guys would do it for you, I can promise you that. If humans were in some sort of kill shelter, I bet these guys would be sharing your photo and trying to get you a home. So, alright gang, we'll catch you on next YouTube. I'll be doing some more car and motorcycle stuff soon.